Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Beloit, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving 50 miles from your present location to another place is, in our books, a long-distance relocation. Such moves can be an interstate or intrastate, and they always require the most meticulous of all plans. Generally, a long-distance move is expensive. Long-distance moves are expensive because of the complicated planning process and execution. It also is a type of move that requires a firm to register more logistics. At 3 Movers, our services are very affordable, especially compared to other moving firms in the area. Generally, local moves are less expensive than their long-distance counterparts. We offer these services at an affordable rate of $30 to $40 per hour. This price range is customer-friendly, yet even with this price range, we offer quality services. In Beloit, Kansas, we are also the best moving firm around. Our movers are responsible and registered with the government, and they're friendly and will ensure that you remain comfortable throughout the trip. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Beloit moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.